Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of x plus 6 over 6 plus the square root of x plus 30 over 15. This is equal to the square root of x minus 10 divided by 2. So what is the value of x given that x is an element of real numbers? So let's provide a solution from here. Now the first step is to determine the LCM. Here we have the LCM of, we have 6, 15 and 2. So the LCM here, we have 6 divided by 2, this is 3. We have 15 here, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then we have 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3, this is 5. And then we have 1. So we have 5, this is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1, then 1. So we have the LCM here equal to 2 times 3 times 5, and this is equal to 30. So the next step from here, we can let x to be equal to 30u. So let's substitute where we have x with 30u, so that now we have the square root of, now x is 30u, so we have 30u plus 6. This is divided by 6, then plus the square root of x plus 30. This is 30u plus 30, then divided by 15. This is equal to the square root of x minus 10, which is 30u minus 10 divided by 2. Okay. The next step is that in the numerator here, we can factor out 6 from the first square root sign here. Let's factor out 6 so that we have 30u divided by 6. This is 5u, then plus 6 divided by 6 is 1, then divided by 6, then plus. Now in the second case here, let's factor out in the numerator here. 15 is common. Let's factor out 15 so that 30u divided by 15, this is 2u, plus 30 divided by 15, this is 2, then divided by 15, this is equal to the square root of. Now here we can factor out 2 so that we have 30u divided by 2, this is 15u, subtract 10 divided by 2, which is 5, then divided by 2. Now we can easily simplify here. 6 and 6 simplifies, so that now we have the square root of 5u plus 1, then plus, this is the square root of, now 15 and 15 simplifies, so this is square root of 2u plus 2. This is equal to, now 2 and 2 simplifies, so this is the square root of 15u subtract 5. Now the next step is to square on both sides from here, so that now we have the square root of 5u plus 1 plus square root of 2u plus 2 raised to the power of 2. This is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which you can express as a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then we have, this is the square root of 5u plus 1 raised to the power of 2, then plus the square root of 2u plus, this is 2 raised to the power of 2, then plus 2 multiplied by square root of 5u plus 1 multiplied by square root of 2u plus 2, close the parenthesis. This is equal to, now let's eliminate the square root sign here, so that now we have 15u minus 5. 15u minus 5. So let's again eliminate the square root sign here, and this means we have 5u plus 1, then plus, let's simplify here, so plus 2u plus 2, then plus 2 multiplied by square root of 5u plus 1, then multiplied by square root of 2u plus 2. This is equal to 15u minus 5. So this means that 5u plus 2u, this is 7u, plus 1 plus 2, this is 3, then plus 2, multiplied by square root of 5u. Now this is the same thing as the square root of 5u plus 1, multiplied by 2u plus 2, cross the parentheses, this is equal to 15u minus 5. Now let's take 7u plus 3 on the right hand side. So this means on the left hand side we have the square root of 5u plus 1 multiplied by 2u plus 2. Now this is 2 times the square root of 5u plus 1 times 2u plus 2. This is equal to 15u, subtract 5, subtract 7u, then subtract 3. Now here we have 2 into the parentheses. This is the square root of 5u plus 1 multiplied by 2u plus 2. This is equal to 15u minus 7u. This is 8u, then minus 5 minus 3. This is minus 8. So we have 2 into the parentheses. This is the square root of 5u plus 1 multiplied by 2u plus 2. This is equal to, now from here we have that 2 is common here. We can factor out 2, so that now here we have 8u divided by 2. This means we have 4. This is 4u minus, now this is 8 divided by 2. This is the same thing as 4. So 2 and 2 here simplifies, so that we have the square root of 5u plus 1 multiplied by 2u plus 2. This is equal to, this is 4u minus 4. 4 is common, so we factor out 4. Then u minus 1. The next step from here, let square on both sides from here, so that now here we eliminate the square root sign, and this means that we have 5u plus 1 multiplied by 2u plus 2. This is equal to 4 squared, which is 16, multiplied by u minus 1 raised to the power of 2. Okay, now the next step is that we have, this is 5u times, now 5u plus 1. Now we have 2 is common here, so we can factor out 2 here, and this means this is the same thing as u plus 1. This is equal to, now this is 16, so this means we have 16 multiplied by u minus 1 to the power of 2. Let us expand this. This is u squared plus 1 minus 2u. Now here we can simplify here. Let's divide by 2 and 2 here, so that now here we have 5u plus 1 multiplied by u plus 1. This is equal to 16 divided by 2. This is 8 multiplied by u squared plus 1 minus 2u. Now here we have 5u times u. This is 5u to the power of 2. Then plus 5u times 1. This is 5u. Then plus 1 times u. This is u. Then plus 1 times 1. This is 1. And this is equal to, let's open the parentheses here. 8 times u squared. This is 8u squared. Plus 8 times 1. This is 8. Minus 8 times minus 2u. This is minus 16u. So this is 5u squared plus 5u plus u. This is 6u plus 1. this is equal to 8u squared subtract 16u plus 8. So let's take 5u squared plus 6u plus 1 on the right hand side, so that we have 8u to the power of 2 minus 16u plus 8 subtract 5u to the power of 2 minus 6u, then subtract, this is plus 8, then subtract 1, this is equal to 0. Okay, so we have 8u squared minus 5u squared, this is 3u squared. Then we have negative 16u minus 6u, this is negative 22u. Then we have, now we have, this is plus 8. Now this is 8 minus 1, so we have plus 7. This is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation here, which we can solve by factorization method, where we have 3u squared minus 21u minus u plus 7. This is equal to 0. So we have got two parts here. From the first part here, 3u is common. Let's factor out 3u. So that's 3u squared divided by 3u. This is u. Subtract 21u divided by 3u. This is minus 7. Then subtract 1 is common here. So let's factor out 1 so that we have u minus 7. This is equal to 0. So now u minus 7 is common here. So let's factor out u minus 7. And then we have 3u minus 1. This is equal to 0. Now we have got two cases here. We have u minus 7. This is equal to 0. Then we have 3u subtract 1. This is equal to 0. So this means that u1 is equal to 7. And here we have 3u is equal to 1. So this means that we have u2. This is equal to 1 over 3. u2 is equal to 1 over 3. Now, if you recall, we can let x to be, remember we said that we let x to be equal to 30u. So let's start with u1. Let's substitute u1, which is 7. Now let's substitute u1 so that we have x1 is equal to 30 multiplied by 7. And this means that x1 is equal to 30 times 7, which is 210. So this is the value of x1. Now we can solve for x2. x2 is equal to 30 multiplied by u2. u2 is 1 over 3. So let's multiply by 1 over 3. That's divided by 3. This is equal to 10. So we have x2. This is equal to 10. So we have two values of x in this square root math problem. x1 is equal to 210 and x2 is equal to 10. And these are the solutions to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.